Hello, it's me again. Today, I'm sick. It appears the children have brought home all their window-licking and booger-picking diseases from school. And I'm the happy beneficiary. So, what better way to spend my time than to make ice cream with instant noodles? What kind is it this time, you ask? Oh, something that should clear the sinuses a little bit. We'll see how 2x spicy goes. Let's do it. Alright, so here's what we've got here. 2 sachets of the Buldak sauce. I tried to make it swirl. I'll have to figure that one out. But anyways, let's give it a try. Wow. It's a trip. So what it does is it starts out sweet, and then it's almost like it does this weird transformation in your mouth. It's kind of got a sesame oil flavor to it, kind of like a sesame ice cream. And it starts out sweet, then it just kind of shifts over to the spicy, and now all I've got is a burn. It's really weird, and actually, this one's not bad. I'm kind of surprised that this one isn't as. I really had no idea how it would come out. I kind of hoped on the sweet side, but yeah, that's not bad. Well, let's plate it. So I dragged my sick self to the thrift store and the grocery store. What did I get? Little banana and a fine plate. Let's make it look pretty. Well, here we are. We have ice cream made from 2x Buldak. The standard cream, milk, sugar. We also have the Buldak topping. This is the 2x, by the way. Chocolate sauce, whipped cream, and banana. I must do what I must do. It doesn't look bad. Cheers. Wow, ultra spicy ice cream is a trip. It's like I said before. Wow. It goes from being sweet and cool, and as soon as you put it in your mouth, it starts with that, and then it shifts over to like a sesame kind of flavor, and then as soon as the coolness wears off, hits right in with that spiciness. It's an absolutely bizarre sensation as it shifts through these stages of tasting it. Well, what's next? I believe the next one I'm going to try will be Indomie ice cream. We'll see how that goes. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.